Hello, my guys. Today I'm talking about the world's best countries for traveling. First one is Sri Lanka. This is an island covered by Indian Ocean. Let's see what we can see in this country. This is Sigiri Rock Forest. It's made by King Kashyap. In this place you can see old wall paintings and mirror wall. In this mirror wall you can see many Sinhala letters and poems. The other place you can see in Sri Lanka is this tower, named as Ambuluwa Tower. This tower is one of the most tallest tower in Sri Lanka, as you can see. Lotus Tower. This is the tallest tower in Sri Lanka. It's like a lotus flower. Nilaveli Beach. This place is one of the best place you should travel in Sri Lanka. In this beach you can see many corals, fish and many other things. Second country is China. Let's see what we can see in this country. Great Wall of China. This is one of the most attractive place you should travel in China. Giant Buddha. This is an old statue in China. In this country you can see these animals named as panda. These animals are the national animal of China. Terracotta Army. This place is one of the most important place you should travel in China. Gumdrop Mountains. These are very attractive mountains in China. The third country is Japan. This is also an island covered by Pacific Ocean. Let's see what you can see in this country. Mount Fuji. This is the most attractive place in Japan. Yakushima Island. This island is so beautiful. As you can see, there are so many beautiful trees, rivers, and many other things. Tokyo City. This city is the capital of Japan. As you can see, there are so many buildings in the city. Nikko. In this place, you can see many attractive buildings and old statues. As I think this place is one of the most attractive place in Japan. If this video is useful for you, please